Hello, my name is Anna Barkowitz from Connecticut News Channel 8. We are here with a very special person named Drew Barkowitz, who has created a new web platform called Letters. Now, let's take a quick interview. What is Letters?
Letters is a website dedicated to reviving old letters and preserving those letters, but also, and more importantly, Letters is about using technology to help people write letters again.
Very good. And what can people do with letters?
People can correspond with friends. They can actually log on to Letters, and we've created a writing desk with multiple letter themes, so they can basically have a quiet space where they write letters, and they can deliver that letter via the cloud. The cloud is a platform now for everything from pictures to bills, and we figured the cloud was also a platform for people to organize and send letters.
Wow, so this is a very interesting business. And why did you start Letters?
Because I saw technology hadn't caught up with letters, and unfortunately people are writing less letters because people seem more rushed, and people seem to rely a lot on quick, responsive communication rather than the thoughtful communication found in a letter. So we thought we would design a web platform to allow people to have a quiet space to think about what they write.
So, like, take time to write a letter, right?
That's right. Take time to write.
Okay. And what are some of the most interesting things happening with letters?
Well, we launched our website, and we were surprised that we had users from over 64 countries who were interested in letter writing and who began creating letters online, delivering them up into the cloud, and notifying their friends across the globe via email, via Facebook, or via Twitter that they had taken the time to write a letter. So in essence, what's exciting is we've really created a digital post office for people to begin to write letters again.
Okay. And why not just use email or texting?
Well, because email wasn't designed for letter writing. Email was designed for getting things done, for doing your work, for accomplishing tasks. And you'll notice on email there's a folder system and there are reply buttons. I've never saw someone keep their letters in folders. Actually, people keep their letters in shoe boxes, so we've created a shoe box. I've never seen people display letters within a folder. I've seen people display letters on a fridge, so we created a fridge. And most importantly, our letters that anyone sends is always absent a reply button. So all we ask is that people take time to write, but as important, we ask that people take time to read without the pressure of an immediate response. And that's what a letter is.
Okay. And lastly, what do you hope the most for the future of Letters?
What I hope most for the future of Letters is that my children write letters today to their grandparents and their aunts and uncles and their family in Spain, their family in Rhode Island, their family in Florida. I also hope they take time to write letters to their friends and introduce their friends at their age to the quiet experience of a letter. And I hope that when I'm older, I have a shoebox, even if it's a digital shoebox, but I have a shoebox of letters that my kids took time to write me over the years.
Awesome. So basically, just instead of not always using email and texting, it encourages people to take time to write and think about letters and think about other people, what a letter can do for other people, correct?
That's right. And we're excited that as many students have signed up to Letters as have adults. And adults, I think, are excited about the prospects of showing what letter writing can be to this next generation, even if we use technology to write those letters.
So kids are also starting to use this website. Okay, and And thank you, and that is it for this evening. And thank you very much from Canton Web TV.